This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Lexus engine cover clips. First, locate all the clips holding your engine cover in place. Many Lexus models use plastic pushpin style clips, but some might have screw-type fasteners. Having the right tools, like a plastic trim removal tool, will make this process much easier and safer for your vehicle's components. To begin, for the common pushpin clips, insert your trim tool under the center pin and gently pry it up a small amount, perhaps 1/8 inch. This releases the tension. Then, position the tool under the clip's base and carefully lift the entire clip straight out. For any screw-type clips, a simple turn counterclockwise will loosen and remove them. When removing these clips, always ensure you are working in a well-lit area. This helps you see exactly how each clip is designed and where to apply pressure. Remember to use gentle, consistent force, never yank or twist aggressively, as this can easily break the plastic. Keeping a small container handy for all removed clips will prevent them from rolling away. Reinstalling the clips is straightforward. Simply align each clip with its corresponding hole and press it firmly into place. For pushpin clips, once the main body is seated, push the center pin down flush to lock it. Double-check that all clips are secure to prevent any engine cover rattling. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.